In this tutorial, I get these requests multiple times that we are facing some issues while logging into the MySQL instance basically. So this video talks specifically about how to log into MySQL. It does not talk about how to install MySQL, and it assumes that MySQL is installed and running. So just to confirm what kind of version of MySQL that is running and all, you can just type MySQL hyphen hyphen version, so that it will display which kind of distribution it is running, and what version it is running with. So I have little older, like if you, as on date, if you see MySQL 8 and some other versions or distributions are also in place, but this one is little older, but that's fine. They should not differ from the way we log in to MySQL. Yeah. So there are some options that we have to give when we wanted to log into MySQL. Is so you always start with MySQL, and then you mention what is the user you wanted to log in with. So for example, in this particular installation, I have used root user to install MySQL. So root is going to be the my user using which I wanted to log in. Then here you need to specify -h. -h stands for which host your MySQL software is running upon. So here in the -h you generally write localhost, or actual host name of your machine. Yeah. So here the name of the host name is quickstart.cloudera. So I'm gonna write that cloudera. Then you have to give password here, right? So password, there are two options. One is either you give -p parameter and then start typing the password of it, which is cloudera in my case. Else you do -P and it will ask you to enter the password, and then you can enter the password whichever you have given at the time of installation. So this is how we log into MySQL. You make sure you give the correct password, press enter, and then you should be able to log into MySQL shell. So this is what the command would be, that MySQL -u root is nothing but the user using which you want to log in. -h stands for the host name of the machine on which MySQL is up and running, and -p stands for instance password. Like if you have provided password, then just press enter, give the right password, again press enter, and you will be able to log in to the MySQL terminal. So this is like, upon successful login, this is what you see as a MySQL terminal, and you can start writing your queries here. Like for example, show databases. Yeah, these are the databases that it has. Then if you wanted to use any specific database, then you make information, let's say schema, or metastore if you just do here. And now if you wanted to see the tables inside this table, then run show tables, and it will display you all the list of tables that are present as a part of this metastore database. Yeah. So this is this was a simple tutorial in terms of how we can log into MySQL instance. So thanks guys, thanks for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.